My name is Lucas House.
My name is Leo Nguyen, and our team is Super Zero.
Basically, we wanted to create a model of a carbon zero house that was both visual and also informative in terms of actual raw information. We were presented with the idea like we need to develop something that makes people aware of their power consumption.
The HVAC systems, the heating, the cooling, the transportation, the lighting systems. For example, using an incandescent bulb that uses 60 watts compared to like the new system, LEDs only use about 5 watts. Usually that is 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 1 pound of CO2.
So this literally shows you what a carbon zero house does. This is how many kilowatts it consumes. This is how it affects your carbon footprint. And it gives the user the ability to control and see all of that aspect of what it means to be carbon zero.
You can see like your carbon footprint going down if you make the right choices.
I originally thought that this house model wasn't really going to work out. It always seemed that solar was really, really expensive and it didn't really produce enough to make a house possible. But as we developed this model, we really saw that all of this is incredibly possible. It's possible that we can resolve this climate issue if we become carbon zero with our houses.
Before, I felt that climate change would be like a really, really difficult task. It is humanity's greatest challenge. We're like in like a time bomb. Like if we do not fix this problem soon, our future generations will not be able to fix this problem on their own. It must come from now.
There isn't a single person in this world that it doesn't affect. When you bring up climate change, politics is the first thing that comes up, and that's not always a good thing. I feel like climate change can be viewed as important in an engineering sense. Like, I like to see it as a challenge. Like, as an engineer, I think it's definitely possible that we're going to be able to completely remove dependency from fossil fuels at some point in time. But just because it's a difficult challenge doesn't mean we shouldn't start it now.
When my team and I came up with these solutions to help fight that through the Mission Zero project, I felt empowered. I felt that I can make a difference. I can take action towards this problem that we're having. Our generation is the step forward.
With the 2400 project class, you're literally building a project, and regardless of your grade, you have to make sure that it works and that it's useful. There's no rubric for a successful engineering project in real life. It has to be successful and work on its own. And I think that was the really brilliant part about the 2400 project experience with Mission Zero.